What's up, everybody? I just want to give a big shout out to JJ and the guys at Street Volkswagen here in Amarillo. I got to Amarillo yesterday afternoon, probably about 6 o'clock, and my battery had died like completely and my car wouldn't crank. I gave him a shout and he told me to come right over to the dealership, even though that the service department was closed. They pulled my battery out, tested it, they unlocked the back, found me a battery. I paid for it cash right there on the spot, even though they were closed and then, like, the whole place was about to close down, like the whole back service and all that. So I just want to give a huge shout out to them, because I'd have to get a jump every time I needed to start my car if it wasn't for them. So we're about to actually head to the mall where the races are, and it's gonna be a pretty solid day. It rained a lot last night. It's disgusting. My car looks absolutely terrible, but there's nothing I can do about it. I don't have a garage here. We stayed at the hotel, so that's my excuse for being dirty today. And it's a little chilly, but it's gonna be fun. Alright guys, just had our first set of runs. I haven't looked at my last time yet. That's the first time I launched the car for this course. But it's feeling pretty good. I'm in the 35s. The fastest car right now is a 34.2, I think. That's a Subaru that I can normally surpass. So I definitely have room to improve. But the track is really fun. It's really quick. Each turn progressively gets more aggressive. So it's kind of really fast to begin with. And then by the end, you're like, it's Miata-like. It's pretty much for a Miata towards the end. So it's giving me a little bit of trouble, but I'm working it out, having a lot of fun. But I gotta get out here and work the track, freeze my ass off. It's like 55 degrees right now, so America.
tag that last corner.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Alright guys, we're out here, final laps of the day. The difference between first place and second place is 0.06 of a second. It's 33.757 and then 33.763. Pretty crazy, and that's first place is a S2000, second is a crazy WRX. Has all the APR stuff on it. I got a video of it earlier in the video, but I'm sitting at 4th as of right now, which is not bad at all. Very happy with that. I got some really good drivers on a fantastic, quick course. This shit's pretty crazy, but out here having a lot of fun. And yeah, just an overall fantastic day. The weather's fantastic as well now, and now that it warmed up.
D-Mod and B-Street Third all bumped together. 4 cars, 2 trophies. 4th with 36.290 is Lance McIntosh.
Cobo.
Second, 34.830 was Gabriel Chacon. Pablo Chacon! And first with a 34.121 was Bryce Schindeldecker.
All right, Bryce. You're working on your trophy room, right?
All right, guys, you've seen it. We got another one. That's the 4th one, I think, this year, right? Yeah. So my goal to get at least 5 this season is well underway. The next event I won't make because of going to Desert Fest and all out call out in Albuquerque early next month. But the event after that, there's actually 2 next month and 2 each month actually after this here in Amarillo. So I'll definitely be making it to the one after that and probably all of them afterwards as well. But overall, great day. Some really tough competition. I wound up 4th out of 28 overall and then 1st in the classes that they all bumped together. So pretty solid, pretty happy. Car performed great once again. Racing line, intercooler, intake, and all those parts. I wouldn't be able to do this without them. The Stop Tech and EBC yellow pads together, amazing. United Motorsports tune, that's what puts it all together. Very happy with all that. Also the racing line catch can, that was putting in some work today. And the motor mounts from BFI, that really tightens all the shit up. So yeah, putting in the work on the track. These parts are holding up great. Haven't had a problem at all. Definitely worth the price that they ask. And yeah, now for the 100-mile drive home. And yeah, I'll catch you on the flip-flop.